Mopar fans, let's take a look at this one. 1969 Plymouth GTX. This is a true GTX, and it's also a 440 car. So it came with the 375 horse 4-barrel 440 underneath the hood. It is not a numbers matching car. It is an era correct 440 underneath there, but it's not numbers matching. Transmission is a 727 with a shift kit in it. Majority of the work on this car, as far as the restoration, was done within the last 10 years. So that transmission has been rebuilt, engine was gone through. Obviously, it's been repainted. You can check out the underside, see how nicely that's finished off. Underside pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And feel free to call us, too, if you got any questions. Our number is 507-386-1726. One of the cool things about this car is the color. It's a saddle bronze metallic, which would have been Plymouth's name for it. I believe dark bronze metallic was what Dodge called it. Otherwise, the same color. See, it's riding on the American Racing 5-spoke wheels. Looks nice on this car. The paint on this is very, very nice shape. This is I would call a little nicer in the driver quality paint, and as far as the car finished off on the inside. Interior was a black vinyl bucket seat car to begin with, and that's what it is now, as you can see. Center console shifter on the floor. Inside finished off pretty much stock, the way you would have seen it come from Plymouth back in '69. You can see how straight this thing is looking up and down the side of it too. That saddle bronze metallic is a cool looking color on this car. It may have been a 1-year color too. I'm not positive about that. You can do a little research, check it out, or if you're a Mopar fan, you may know that. Again, check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see inside the trunk, the underside, engine bay. We're going to fire this up for you too and pop the hood so you can check that out in the video here too. But once again, look up and down the side. On the driver's side here, not full of nicks, scratches, chips, and you can see car straight. Whoever laid the paint on this did a heck of a nice job. This is the way the car came to us. It was traded in like this. Like I said, the majority of the restoration work, some of the receipts and stuff that we have, been within the last 8 to 10 years. If you're looking for a car to take to shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, what have you, you don't have to be ashamed of this one at all. Very nice Mopar here. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up, pop the hood so you can check it out. See how nice a shape the seats and everything are in. As well as the dash, door cards, courtesy lights all seem to work. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Sometimes 440s can be a little cold-blooded, but this one seems to start up quite easily. See, the tack works. And the wipers going a little earlier. They work. The radio came on, but I could not get it to change its channel. I was doing something wrong. The dash is in very nice shape. Center console. Headliner all in good shape. Slip around to the back and you hear this thing run. Nicely that door closes. Listen to that 440 rumble. Listen to that. Classic Mopar sound. Let's flip around to the front and pause this video a second while I pop this hood. We can check out the engine bay and see this thing and listen to it run underneath the hood. Alright, there's that 440. As you can see, we got power brakes. 4-barrel on there. Super Commando 440, 375 horse. Has been gone through. Within the last 10 years, everything was completed on this. And it is a T7 paint coat. Very cool car. There you have it. Like I said, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Want to give us a call? The number is 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with the transportation of this beauty to wherever you're located at.